Purchase one and you have 25 different gifts. Can you guys see it? And we all know that Christmas at the Body Shop is always a very meaningful affair because they believe that Christmas is always about celebrating a special someone. Message 5 people in your phone book and tell them why they are so awesome. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You guys know that every year I love unboxing advent calendars from the Body Shop, and this year is no exception. So here we have the Body Shop's advent calendars 2021 for this Christmas. So the first one, you see this big green box over here. This is the ultimate advent calendar. We also have the big advent calendar, this red box over here, and lastly deluxe advent calendar. And we all know that Christmas at the Body Shop is always a very meaningful affair because they believe that Christmas is always about celebrating a special someone or a group of people in your life. So this year we are celebrating unpaid carers. These are the heroes that selflessly care for the people around them all year round. Unpaid carers could be defined as people who provide care to others inside or outside of the home without any financial or monetary returns, and these people like to extend help and care and concern and love to people around them who need them. I'm sure when we think of the term unpaid carers, there are people in our lives that just pop up into our minds. So maybe I can share a little bit more about my personal unpaid carer. This particular campaign made me remember them. So when I was younger, both my parents were working. So we had a helper, but we pretty much grew up with a helper alone at home. And this went on for a good, I think, 3 to 4 years of my life. And I remember very, very clearly, and my parents still remind me till date that to be honest, we have to be super thankful to this old elderly neighbor couple that we have. Every single day without fail, they would come and knock on our doors and check in on us like at least 4 or 5 times a day just to make sure that my helper was taking care of us properly. Till today we still visit them every year, even though they don't really remember me anymore, but they always remember me as that tiny little girl that moved out 20 years ago. Maybe you can let me know who are your unpaid carers in your lives in the comments box down below. I would love to read about them. Today I'm gonna show you guys every single thing that is inside the ultimate advent calendar as well as the big advent calendar. This year the design is actually really cute. Don't they remind you of like big presents? So one thing about advent calendars that I love is it's not only a surprise for yourself or for your giftee. Every single day you look forward to something and just opening a small little gift for yourself. And of course the value is amazing. So those of you who are big fans of the Body Shop, purchasing an advent calendar at the end of the year can last you for 1 full year. Like the amount of products worth, and the savings is always amazing. So now let's get unboxing. This one is the Share Joy and Love Ultimate Advent Calendar that is going for $249. The entire value is worth $416, so that is a whopping 40% off. So let's unbox this one together. I really like it because I think they look so pretty and you don't even need a lot of wrapping or anything, you know, and there are so many little gifts inside that's all wrapped up for you. So I feel like it looks very nice with just like a ribbon and a card. This year it goes like this. Can you guys see it? So I don't know, this reminds me of like storybooks when I was reading as a kid, and I loved all these like little pop-ups. It's just so festive. And then once you open it, it just folds very nicely like this. And here you have 25 different gifts. Of course, you've got drawers as well, and let me just say this, the quality of these boxes, they are really good, so you can definitely use them and recycle them for other purposes for many years to come, because you hear that? It's so sturdy. So you've got 2 layers of drawers and they're all nicely labeled number 1 to number 25, which stands for to be opened on the 1st of December all the way to the 25th of December, which is Christmas Day itself. So let's unbox it together. I'm gonna unbox the first big one, which is number 23. This one is pretty light. And it's really nice. There's actually a small little message. It's very thought-provoking at the side. It says, "What's your favorite Christmas movie?" Invite a friend over to share that festive magic. So sweet. Imagine, opening one every day and you have all these thought-provoking questions and little call to actions that just add a little bit of spice. And you can make it like a game, maybe like a family. Everybody will unbox something every day together and y'all can ask each other these questions. So we have Drops of Youth Concentrate Sheet Mask. So this one is a instant hydrating sheet mask. Everyone loves a sheet mask, whether or not you are like male, female, whatever you resonate with as well. Old, young, everyone needs hydration. So that's 23. Let's open this cute one. Number 15. The note today is help out somebody selfless by babysitting their kids, walking their park, watering their plants, or just being there for them. It sounds like this is something Sarah would want me to do because she loves her parks. But yeah, I think it's really, really cute. It's a cute message. Now I need to find a kid to babysit. And we have, the Body Shop Lip Butter. It's so cute, and you can just drop it in your purse like this. Number 13. Post a note through the door of somebody who cares selflessly to say thank you. Oh my gosh! It's a body mist. So this is the Mango Refreshing Fragrance. Oh, it smells so nice. Actually, mango is one of my favorite scents from the Body Shop, including Satsuma, and I really love the vanilla ones, but mango is also one of my top. And this is a good 100 ml, so it smells so good. I think, right, if you're gonna be getting a lot of gifts for everybody this Christmas and you really don't have time, or you just want something that is very universally well accepted, I think the Body Shop definitely makes really good gifts. You can purchase one and you have 25 different gifts. You can give it to yourself, give it to that unpaid carer in your life, or give it to your friends and family, or give it to 25 different individuals, So let's pull out the second drawer and see what we have. Oh, number 1 is here. This Christmas, we're celebrating the people who selflessly care for others all year round. For the next 24 days, let's join them and share that selfless love with the world. If only I could be as selfless. I aim to be as selfless as my, the selfless people in my life. Oh, British Rose Shower Gel. This is a huge full-size bottle, 250 ml. Let's go for number 25. Christmas Day. This is a very special one. Leftover food after Christmas Day, divide it into tasty meals and share them with the homeless. Wow, I think that's actually a really nice idea, because usually there's a lot of ways. This is the avocado body butter. 96 hours nourishing moisture. I've never actually seen this before, but I think that's really amazing, because you not only get your usual ones, you get little surprises like that as well. Oh, look at that. The Body Shop makes one of the best body butters. They are extremely nourishing, and this one promises 96 hours nourishing moisture. So I believe this is going to be great for people who are actually traveling, or if you are based in a winter country. And even in December, end of the year, it's always raining and our temperatures also, fall. So that's when your skin gets a bit more dry. You can slather this on. Gosh, I love it. It's so festive. Even the color scheme is so festive. Okay, so I'm going to unbox everything else and I'm going to show them to you guys here. So here are all the items you can find in this big Share Joy and Love Ultimate Advent Calendar. And you have all of these amazing items, all the way from body care to hair care to serums as well. You have a whole bottle of Drops of Youth serum. Now let's talk about the second advent calendar. For those of you who don't want to commit to such a big one, you can go for this one, which is the Share the Love Big Advent Calendar, which is going for $139, but this is worth $233, so you get another 40.3% discount. This one is very cute. It's red and it's like a really medium size kind. So let's unbox it together. Wow! This is red and it's slightly smaller in size, but you get the same quality of the box. Of course, you've got your drawers as well. You can unbox one every single day from the 1st of December all the way to the 25th of December. So let's get unboxing. I think the same thing. I really like to just go for like a very like the first big one that I see. Number 14, and you also have the note at the side. So it says, loved ones spending Christmas alone, why not video call them to spread some festive love? I think this is very relatable, especially since it's COVID now. I mean, we're living in a pandemic, you know, and we really don't know how the rules are going to be once Christmas Day comes. So it's really nice to be able to spend time virtually with your family and friends and just video call them. Oh my gosh! So this is the strawberry soap. Wow, it smells so good. It smells really sweet and nice. It takes a long time to finish them. It's very eco-friendly as well, and you use them in so many different ways. So I love to use them to wash my brushes. For those bar soaps that actually are very hydrating, I like to use them on my body. Number 5. Message 5 people in your phone book and tell them why they are so awesome. Why are you guys so awesome? Let me see. Cheryl, you're awesome because you are really nice and kind. Zeddy, you're awesome because you're very cute and you're very bubbly. Why? Instead of messaging, I'm going to tell them in their faces now because there's 5 of them right here. And they're blushing. Cheryl is very nice. Cheryl is very talented and she's really tall, so she can help us with a lot of all these decoration things. Daph is the life of the party all the time. She just loves to scream randomly and then she likes to shock us all. So it keeps us on our toes. And Karina is really soft and gentle and she's so super sweet. So yay! So we have here the chamomile cleansing butter. Ooh, and it says suitable for sensitive skin. It's really cute and small. This is 20 ml. Let's see, second layer. Ooh, and you can actually repurpose all these drawers as well. You see the thickness of it is actually quite thick. You can put like, yeah, jewelry, sunglasses, DIY, you know, if you like to do like arts and crafts stuff, I think these are really good organizers as well. And let's go for the last day, number 25. It's slightly heavier. I think it's another body butter. Yes! We have here the avocado body butter, 96 hours, nourishing. Okay, same thing, I'm gonna unbox every single thing that you can see in here so you can get an idea of what other things you're gonna get. Let's go. And here you have it! I really love it that this set has so many different variety as well. Like you have everything for your body. You even have a lot of tools. So you have a muslin cloth, loofah, you've got a headband, you've got bath bombs, you've got face masks, sheet masks, and a variety of full size as well as travel size products and deluxe sizes as well. And one very important reason why I love collaborating with The Body Shop is because every Christmas they always partner up with an organization and a part of their proceeds will always go to helping them, and you know, they're always all about fighting for a greater cause. And this year they've partnered up with Daughters of Tomorrow, where a part of their proceeds from both offline and online purchases will go into helping them to spread joy, love, support and build a better future together. And last but not the least, we also have this one, this purple one called Share the Joy Advent Calendar. This is a deluxe size one that is going for only $99. Value is $152.50. Still really worth the money, but of course if you have like $100 budget that, you know, it's for Christmas gift exchange or something, this is a really good one to consider as well because you also get 25 different gifts inside. You guys will be able to find all these advent calendars in stores as well as on their Lazada official mall. Don't go yet because we have a giveaway for you guys. I'm giving away one of this big advent calendar to one lucky winner. All you have to do is check out the caption below and find out how to join. Let's gift with joy this Christmas with The Body Shop. I'll see you guys in my next one.